Happy weekend, guys. Happy Sunday. Hope everyone's ready for the next week of trading. Today I'm going to be going over ticker symbol AMC. We'll cover it on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. I also want to go over the short interest of AMC, institutional owners, and all that kind of stuff because I feel like this stuff is important to understand with the stock. But before I hop into all this kind of stuff, if you guys can do me a favor and smash that like button, give it a little tickle tickle, pokey pokey, humpty humpty, whatever you need to do, just make sure that it turns blue and so it's no longer lonely. And then if you can, there's a subscribe button down there. Make sure that that's also gray. If you have to give it a poke, give it a smash, obliterate it, I don't know, falcon punch it, do something just to make sure that it turns gray. And then with the bell, just give it a nice hug by turning on notifications. I greatly appreciate it, guys. And as a small growing YouTuber, it definitely helps a lot. And it really has helped me grow here on YouTube. And I've seen a lot of the growth, and I cannot thank you guys enough from the bottom of my heart. Like, thank you so much. And I cannot wait to cross 1,000 subscribers and continue this YouTube journey. Like, my channel is so young, but I love doing this every single day for you guys. So you guys can just give me that support by hitting the like button, hitting that subscribe button. But let's go ahead and hop on over here and cover the short interest on AMC. Now, the huge thing when I'm taking a look at this is over the past couple of days, the short volume ratio has definitely been a lot higher, but we're taking a look at a short rate borrow fee of 1.76%. We have about 2 million shares on that are available to be loaned out, which is actually pretty low in my opinion. And if we take a look at the institutional ownership, it shows that Wanda was the most recent institutional person to invest into AMC. But has this happened? What's going on here? Like, is this something that hasn't been announced yet, or is this something that has already been a thing and it has always been a thing? So, because I see down here that Wanda on 214 has the same thing, but Wanda America Investment Holdings Company Limited and Wanda America Entertainment are different. So does this mean that Wanda has another new position within AMC, which I feel like would be a good thing for it? But if you guys have any information, just drop it down in the comment section below for me. So, but let's go ahead and hop on over here to Webull real quick and cover it on a daily. But yes, we were down on the day on Friday. Yes, we are trading down below $10. Yes, we broke down below $9.50. Yes, we did touch a support of $9.24. However, I'm still not worried, because if we take a look here at the day and just take a look at our volume that has been literally the past week, we had on Friday 28.9 million shares traded, 31.1 on Thursday, 28.5 on Wednesday, 43 on Tuesday, and then on Monday we had 95. So our volume is dissipated. Like, if you look here at our 3-month average, it's 170. So people are not selling the stock. People are not, there might be some paper handlers that are selling the stock because they can't handle it. It's not able to fit in their financial situation. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. This is purely for informational and educational purposes of me sharing this with you guys to help you guys along in this journey. So, but really, like, I'm not worried about people selling. Like, if there was people selling, there would be a lot more volume than what there currently is. So unless if something drastically changes, I'm not worried. Like, we can retest $7. What I'm just doing is I'm taking advantage of this, and I'm dollar cost averaging myself on the way down. I'm picking up calls. So when this does go up, because it is going to go up, because they just had Kong vs. Godzilla just beat box office records and beat the 2019 premiere of it. We have movies coming from Hollywood here into the summer, so that's going to happen. It's like, this is only going to ramp up, so AMC is only going to gain momentum as time goes on. So just, if you guys can, take a breath, be patient, And just remember that the sky is not falling. This is not doomsday kind of thing. So, but covering the charts on the day, on Friday, we touched our high of 979 in the pre-market, which is not ideal. We touched our low of 924, which is actually nice because we didn't touch $9. We touched 924. We did a little bit of consolidation, and then we ripped up and tried to retest 950, and then we consolidated essentially into the close. Now, really what I'm going to be looking for on Monday with all the bullish news that really is in the market right now, I'm going to be looking for us to break above 950 and turn that resistance into support, and then hopefully retest $10 and turn that resistance and support. And we can easily reclaim $10 very quickly. The stock has shown that it can do it, and we will do it again, guys. So just take a deep breath and just be patient. So let's hop out here to the 5-day, 5-minute. And like this will help you, give you a little bit more of a perspective. So really 1, 2, you can say 2.5 trading days ish. In the past 5 days, we've been trading below $10. The other 2.5 days, we were above $10. So we just need to be patient. We need to remember that this is not comfortable territory for the stock. And even if you look here on the RSI, we're sitting at 48, which is below neutral. And if we take a look at the MACD and the signal, the MACD has actually crossed over the equilibrium and is on top of the signal, which is technically a bullish indicator. Yes, this is going into the after hours, but we can take a look at the pre-market and see what the pre-market's doing. I wouldn't be surprised personally if we have a very bullish day on Monday, because we definitely have been beat down for the past couple days. So it's time for us to make some of that ground up. But let's hop out here to the 1 month. And really, this helps you, give you even more perspective from a macro perspective. I consider the 5-day and the 1-day a micro perspective. The 1 month really helps you, give you that macro perspective. We have 1 day here, 1 day here, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days that we've really been trading below $10. So we really just need to take a breath and just realize that on a macro perspective, we have not been in this territory a lot in the past month. So it shows that we can easily get back above it and that we have support above $10 and we can easily reclaim it. The RSI is sitting here at 36, which is well below neutral. It's not technically in the oversold territory yet, but if we do look at the MACD, it is below the equilibrium and below the signal, which is technically a bearish indicator. So on a macro perspective, we are very bearish, but I don't think we may be in bearish territory, but personally, I don't expect a bearish move. What I'm really hoping is we can retake this 951 support on Monday, 951 resistance, turn into support. And then honestly, if we could get above the 30-day moving average and break above that, I think once we break above that, we should see a very quick retest of $10, because the 30-day moving average is sitting here at 961 right now as of Sunday. And the pre-market hasn't opened up yet for Monday morning. So if we can actually get above that, that'd be great. And then honestly, the moving average of the 120-day moving average is sitting here at 998. So if we could even break above that, that would be really bullish territory, and we would see a very rapid movement above breaking this 120-day moving average. So predictions for Monday, well, I don't want to say predictions, but what I hope is going to happen on Monday is we're going to get above this 951. We're going to turn into support, and then we're going to break above the 30-day MA and turn that into support and continue trading above it. I really want us to close above the 30-day moving average, because if we can, that'll help reset these indicators and put us more into bullish territory versus bearish territory. But that's conservative me. If I really want to say bullish me, I really want to see us retest the 120-day moving average. So if we can retest that and actually reclaim it and get back above it, awesome kind of thing. The other thing that I want to remind you guys, and I'll remind you guys in tomorrow's video too, is that the Fed is giving their CPI data on Tuesday at 8:30 in the morning. Now, CPI data is for consumer products, so it really won't affect the movie theaters. But what we're expecting to see is a lot of year-over-year inflation versus month-over-month inflation, which possibly could send the market into a little bit of a spiral on Tuesday. So we may have a bullish day here on Monday, but I think Tuesday it might be a little bit of a tenuous day, if not a bearish day kind of thing. But that's all I got for you guys today, folks. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, drop them down in the comment section below. If you do want to use the platform that I'm using here, I have my Webull referral link down below. You do get 2 free stocks when you join the platform, valued anywhere between $10 and $1,600. And you get one of those free stocks when your account's approved, and then you get the other one when you deposit $100 on the platform. And it's an instant 10% return on your investment. So honestly, it's pretty darn good in my opinion, and I like it for all the chart analysis that you can do, and it really helps you position yourself at the best in trades. So if you guys do want to use Webull, that referral link's down below, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.